I'm gonna love you.
What's going on, guys? Crypto J here, bringing you another video. I'm just going to be doing a small tutorial for beginners. If you're just starting up in crypto, or you're new to crypto, or you want to get into crypto, this is going to be a pretty good tutorial for you guys. If you're more on the advanced side, this video is probably not for you. But if you're just starting up, or you are a beginner in crypto, this video is a pretty good tutorial on how to get started. So first we're just going to hop into the basics of how to buy the basic coins which are most talked about, which is Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, which Bitcoin Cash I don't even want to talk about, but we're just going to hop into that real quick, and you guys could go to Coinbase. So you guys just want to bring up Coinbase. I'm actually signed in already, but as soon as you go to Coinbase, it's going to ask you to sign up. All you guys are going to want to do is link your bank account, credit card, whatever you guys have, whatever you could use the money for. And then it's going to ask you guys for an ID to just verify your account. Now once you guys do that process, you just go right here, you buy. Now Bitcoin's actually $13,217. So you guys actually do not have to buy one whole Bitcoin, guys. You could just come here, type in $100, and that's how much Bitcoin you get. You don't have to buy one whole Bitcoin. Now, if you did want to buy one whole Bitcoin, God bless. But you could increase your limits just by uploading your ID or passport or something like that, I believe. But you just increase your limits, but like that. And then if you want to buy one Litecoin, you could go do that. One Litecoin, $242. So that's just the basics of Coinbase. I'm going to drop a link below that you guys could use if you guys just are getting started on crypto. Excuse me. If you're just getting started on crypto, I'm going to drop my link below for Coinbase. Easy to set up, pretty basic. I like the website. I usually use Coinbase. But I'm actually going to show you guys how to get no fees when you buy Bitcoin or Litecoin. So what you want to do is just actually go to Google again, or whatever web browser you guys use, and go to GDAX. Now GDAX is actually a part of Coinbase, as you can see right here. It's actually a part of Coinbase, so you're just going to want to sign in as soon as you make an account. My account actually is not verified right now because every time I try to upload my ID, it doesn't take it for some reason. I tried to messaging their support, but the support has not answered me yet, so I actually can't do this, but maybe you guys are lucky enough to do it. But all you do is go here, you go to do not use the market. If you want no fees, do not use the market. And same thing, you guys automatically sign in once you sign up for Coinbase, considering these two are together. I don't know why they're together or why they have two websites, but anyways, you're going to want to deposit, same basics, and it looks more advanced, but it's really not. As soon as you come on here, you guys can see what Bitcoin price is at, what Litecoin price is at. Anyways, do not buy from the market. That's actually how you get fees. So you want to go to limit buy right here, and then you could buy whatever amount of Bitcoin you want, whatever amount of Litecoin you want, and Ethereum. So if you want $100 of Bitcoin, just go to $100. Now what you're going to want to do is Bitcoin USD mid-market price, $13,223. So what you're going to want to do is put it 1 penny less. So you could see $13,229.83. You could put it 1 penny less, and you guys will be able to get it if it goes 1 penny less, which usually the case happens unless it just skyrockets out of nowhere, which usually isn't the case. Or you could put it 1 penny above and you'll be paying 1 penny extra. So that's how you guys get no fees. And once you guys are done buying your Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, you guys could actually hop into Altcoins. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now, what you're going to want to do is come back to your Coinbase account, go to Accounts, and then you're just going to want to hit send right here. Now you enter a Bitcoin address. So as soon as you guys sign up for Binance, which I should have went over before, I'm sorry guys, but you guys are going to want to sign up for Binance first, actually, before you do that step. You guys are going to want to come here. You're going to want to hit Binance. I'm actually going to be dropping a link below, Binance.com trade. I'm going to be dropping a link below for Binance also. So as soon as you sign up for Binance, get this account all set up, you're going to want to go back to Coinbase. So as soon as you come back to Coinbase, all you're going to want to do, as soon as you buy your Bitcoin, hit send. Now you want to go to, I'm going to show you guys, I don't really mind, but I'm going to go to deposit or withdrawals, and then go to deposit here, and then it's going to give you a Bitcoin deposit address. So what you want to do is copy this link right here, bring it over here, paste, and then put in whatever amount you want to transfer over to your Binance account. You could do it with Litecoin, you could do it with Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, but you could do it with either or, guys. You could do the same thing, same process for all of them. Now, as soon as you get your Bitcoin, as soon as the block's confirmed, you just go back to here. You go to Exchange, Basic. Now, once you're here, all you want to do is look for whatever coin you want. So, basically, Binance has almost every altcoin that comes out. Binance is pretty popular right now. BitRX is actually not accepting new users, so a lot more people use Binance. And Binance actually keeps up-to-date coins. They drop coins right away. As soon as they become a little bit popular, they drop them here. So, say you guys want to buy Verge. Verge is currently 11.29. So if you want to buy 1,000 Verge, or let's just say 1,000 Verge, it's going to cost you 0.01, and then you just hit buy Verge. Now, I'm going to give you guys a little tip. Do not buy at the highs, guys. Please do not buy at the high. Buy at the lows, and then let it go high. You guys don't have to sell at the highs. You guys could just hold it, but do not buy at the highs, please. That's just my quick tutorial, guys. If you're new to the crypto space, all the links are going to be down below. So you can actually check that out. I actually have one more thing for you guys. I don't know why I keep forgetting everything. But what you're going to want to do here, to keep track of your coins, whatever coin you want to buy, you're going to want to go to Coin Market Cap. So you go to Coin Market Cap, and it brings up all the coins that are currently on the market. So you can keep track of your Cardano, for instance, your IOTA, your Stellar. And then if you want to look at more coins, or you're interested in coins, or want to learn about coins, you could hit Tron, for instance. It will actually show you the chart, the yearly chart, the 3-month chart, whatever's going on with Tron in the chart. You could look at whatever markets it's being sold on. So Binance actually has the highest volume. You could go to their social. You can follow their social, see what's going on. So I just figured I'd drop that. So that's it for this video, guys. I figured I'd just drop a little tutorial for you guys. If you're just getting into the crypto space, or you're wanting to get into the crypto space, it's pretty useful. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, the link's actually going to be below, so I'm not even going to type it in on here. So just like, comment, or subscribe. That would be awesome, guys, and have a good night. Peace.